you guys a quick tip on how I make my photos pop. So right now we're in Lightroom, and have you ever noticed when you export your photos into Lightroom, you notice it doesn't look the same like how it looked in camera. Maybe the contrast is off or the colors are off. So it's a simple rule of third for me when I'm editing my photos is, as soon as I throw it into Lightroom, the first thing I do is I go right away into profile, basics, and I switch it. So if I shoot in studio and I use studio lighting, I go to camera standard. But if I'm using natural light and there's no studio for the photograph, I go with camera landscape. And the reason is because with studio, it tends to add more contrast and a little bit more like deep dark compared to the landscape where there's more color pop. And literally just from that simple switch, here is before, after. After. Literally just a simple twos change. Before, after. Before, after. Just from one step. That's my basics. Switch from this to camera standard. And close it. And here is before, after. It's one simple step. And look at how much colors it's brought into my image and how true to life the colors look. Same principle applies as well down here. This was shot with natural light, so landscape. And here is before, after. You see how true to life, how the colors actually look like what was captured. Same with this, standard. And here is before, after, before, after, before, after. Like you can literally see in the colors, it looks like the actual colors. Before, after, the same, pretty much just to show this landscape. And then before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. And this is before I do any actual proper editing. And yeah, this is literally my simple hack on what I do to make my photos pop in Lightroom before I do any extra editing process. And yeah, those are one simple quick step on how I get my photos to look beautiful and get my true. That's a one simple step that I do to get true life colors in my images. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.